In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one.
If you need new garage doors or you have issues with your existing ones, Morgan is the person you want to call. He replaced our 2 garage doors and does a great job at maintaining them. He's very responsive, and his workmanship is second to none.
So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.